Drive with peace of mind with brake pads from BRIGH SUD, the Moroccan leader in the manufacturing and export of brake pads. With over 10 years of expertise and our international certifications, including the IQNet certificate for our quality management system, compliant with ISO 9001 version 2015, covering the manufacturing and marketing of automotive spare parts, the ECE R90 certification, corresponding to the German homologation, issued by KBA, and the brake pad production conformity certificate, issued by TÜV AUSTRIA MOBILITY. Our laboratory is equipped with state-of-the-art machines for unparalleled quality testing, including compressibility tests, shear tests, and friction tests. Come discover our brake pad manufacturing workshop, where innovation and precision come together to create superior quality products. Discover our custom brake pads for all types of vehicles: heavy-duty trucks, light vehicles, commercial vehicles, and motorcycles. From power to durability, each type of brake pad is meticulously crafted to provide optimal performance, ensuring a safe and confident driving experience. At BRIGH SUD, our partnerships are valuable to us, and we are committed to serving them with dedication and professionalism. Contact us now to discover the quality and performance of our brake pads, tailored to all types of vehicles.